Want to bring your old Uggs from dirty and drab to clean and fab? Here's what you need to know. Stuff the boots so they hold their shape. Brush all the visible dirt off the boots with a suede brush. Using 1 part water and 1 part vinegar, dab the mixtures with a sponge lightly but evenly in small sections around your boots. On easily sealable rips, use a permanent fabric glue, like Drit's Unique Stitch. Follow the instructions on the package. Seal the rip and clamp closed for a half an hour until dry. For rips that are stretched, apply the Unique Stitch lightly and using a needle and thread, pull the rip closed as gently as possible. Clamp and wait for it to dry. Spray your Uggs with a water-repelling treatment, like Rust-oleum Never Wet for boots and shoes, and allow them to dry. And now, your Uggs are like new.